Very important to understand that CPI actually came in higher. I'm going to explain what inflation is in this episode. I'm going to explain the CPI numbers, and I'm going to break it down for you. You know what inflation is. You go to the store, the things that you used to buy are more expensive. To put this in easier terms, inflation has gone up by 6.4%. Over the last 12 months. So housing and food have seen the largest increases because of this. However, we get these weird times where the stock market melts up even though there's bad news, and that is for just a few good reasons. You have to realize, even though bad news comes in, like higher price inflation, stock traders and the big money are looking at some other things. Hopes for positive earning reports. You have hopes for increased economic activity gain. You have hopes for economic outlooks such as lower inflation. You have a lot of things that come up that are going to outweigh the fears of a rising consumer price index. So until traders have a good reason to turn around, such as the rumors have run out, things will keep going up in the stock market. They call it a melt up, even though consumer price inflation index numbers have been coming in hot. Another big one is the hopes for stimulus. We have the debt ceiling coming up, which means that the government might print more money. And when they print more money, that drives the price of the dollar down and drives the price of the stock market up. In January, the food consumer price index was up by 0.5. Some grocery stores indexes rose as much as 14%, which is incredible because that means that if eggs were $1, other people pay 14 cents more for an egg than you may in your own city, even though you think prices have gone up. If you feel like you learned anything watching this video, subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.